My name's Austin Delaney. I'm the head of machine learning and data science at Liminal Insights. Liminal Insights is an ultrasound and machine learning based inspection company trying to usher in the transition to an electric future for automotive. At Liminal Insights, my team includes applied machine learning scientists, machine learning engineers, customer-facing data scientists, and reliability data scientists. We're responsible for generating new applications and use cases for our ultrasound data and technology, supporting customers on their journey to enhancing their manufacturing in the EV battery space, as well as working with data of our own internal production. The biggest impact that weights and biases has had for us has really been experimentation and distribution of learnings and knowledge among different members of the team. We work with a lot of different customers that have really bespoke processes, and so really being able to take those disparate projects and leverage the learnings from each of them as we branch out into new customers or repeat engagements has been the biggest one, as well as helping with as we've shifted towards a production focus. The model registry has been huge. The model registry has helped us in production because a lot of our customers work in a data silo kind of environment. And we have different customers that may have different manufacturing facilities around the world, and all of our models are deployed on the edge. So keeping track of what's deployed where, what's in production, what runs kind of effortlessly on our edge devices, what's the new champion versus the challenger. Being able to have all that in a consolidated place with some tags to say, hey, these are the suite of models that we want deployed on this piece of equipment has really improved and reduced the amount of time that we've had to spend when provisioning new tools, when pushing updates and things like that. I think what excites me the most about the Gen AI era is kind of this concept of multimodal inputs. For us, we don't do a lot of text-based sequence work. Instead, we do a lot of kind of audio-based data because that's the nature of ultrasound. So I think taking that in conjunction with image-based sensors and having these multi-sensor inputs to generate some insights and understanding to help people with interpretation. For us, ultrasound's a really complex topic to explain to our customers, but using generative AI or other tools like that as a way to streamline that transition from expert-level jargon to something that is graspable for someone in a manufacturing context.